There's something making a noise here. I've never heard that noise my entire life. It's literally outside my window. If you guys know any animal sounds, just let me know. What animal makes that sound? This is the other side of my window, and I've actually switched off the lights. But then there's the other side of my window, and you can actually see bugs. There, I'll show you if you guys can see it. But yeah, I'll just go outside. Hopefully I don't spook them. This is the first night I'm hearing this sound. Literally, don't know what it is. If you guys know, please tell me. But yeah, these are the bugs running away now. Anyway, if I find out what animal makes that sound, I'll let you guys know.